Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add your phone number for your OnlyFans account. Now let us begin. For your information, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on your profile picture at the top right. Just above home, you can see your profile picture. Click on it. And once you guys do that, this page will open up. And just below collection, you can see the settings tab right here. Click on it. And this is it, guys. As you guys can see, this is the settings tab. Now from here, all you guys need to do is focus on this button. It's just below profile. Click on it. Now from here, you can also change your username, your email address, phone numbers and other things. But right now, all you guys need to do is simply enter the phone number right here. Click on this button. Now just enter your phone number right here. Well, as you guys can see, I have entered the number. Now all I'm gonna do is click on save. Once you've done that, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Simply enter it right here and click on verify. As such, you will have added your phone number to your OnlyFans account. Well guys, that's it. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. We will be uploading more videos like this pretty soon. So until next time, thank you.